Hi. So your Airhead BMW is a bitch to start. Cranks and cranks and cranks, especially when it's cold out. Full choke makes no difference. No choke makes no difference. Just some days impossible to start. First thing you should look at, carb float bowls. Inside, down in this hole, is a tiny little jet. It corresponds to this tube in the carb, which runs into the choke circuit. When that's on, when you activate the choke, it opens this, creates vacuum, sucks fuel through here. That's your additional fuel source. Verify that you can blow through these. So that bowl is good. This one, not so good. Oh, we're getting a couple little bubbles. That's plugged. And frequently you can't get that jet out. So in that case, run the float bowl in an ultrasonic cleaner for a while. Wife's jewelry cleaner, same thing. You can try poking through it with a very fine piece of wire, but you're not going to be able to get all the way through the jet. You can repeatedly apply air pressure, etc. You may just need to buy another float bowl and make sure that that jet is clear. So hopefully that helps you next time you're having a problem starting your Airhead, especially in the winter. Look at that first. Thanks. So filling that cavity up with brake clean and using one of these tip cleaners that we know fit in the good float bowl with the jet that was not plugged. We now have a clean jet. Now it ought to start right up.